We'll guide you through how to use Printify for creating and selling custom products. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Printify website. Once you're there, you need to sign up for an account if you don't have one already. Click on the sign up button at the top right corner. Fill in your details and create your account. After logging in, you'll land on the dashboard here. You can start by browsing the catalog of products. Click on catalog in the top menu to view the wide range of items available, from t-shirts and mugs to phone cases and more. Choose a product you want to customize, click on it, and then select the Start Designing button. This will take you to the design interface where you can upload your artwork or use Printify's design tools to create something unique. Make sure your design fits well within the product's guidelines to avoid any printing issues. Once you're happy with the design, you can adjust the pricing by going to the pricing tab here. Set your retail price and see your potential profit margin. After setting up your product, go back to the dashboard to connect your online store. Click on Manage My Stores and connect your e-commerce platform, whether it's Shopify, Etsy, or another supported service. Follow the prompts to integrate Printify with your store, making sure to authorize any necessary permissions. Once connected, you can publish your newly designed product directly to your store. Printify will handle the production and shipping once an order is placed, allowing you to focus on marketing and sales, and that's how you can efficiently use Printify to expand your product line with custom designs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.